Hi everyone, what about you? Hope that everyone is fine. Today I'm going to discuss about important topic of inorganic chemistry definitely, and which is related to empirical formula and molecular formula, which I discussed on my previous class. So you can take it as part 2 of empirical formula and molecular formula. Suppose you have been supplied that carbon 40% and hydrogen 6.67%. So we know that the percentage of any compound is 100. So carbon is 40%, hydrogen is 6.67%. That's why I can write oxygen. If there is another atom of this compound, will be oxygen, say, and that is 53.33%. Say this is your supplied data, and in our previous class you have been said that will be given the molecular mass. Suppose glucose C6H12O6, the molecular mass of this compound is 180 gram, which was supplied. But now you have been given the vapor density. So vapor density is 30. The compound, the vapor density of compound is 30. So you can know now that what is called vapor density. Vapor density you can get by this molecular or molar mass of hydrogen, and there will be molar mass or molecular mass of the individual compound. Okay, so molar mass of the compound divided by molar mass of hydrogen. We know that the molar mass of hydrogen is 2.016. The exact amount 2.016, 1.008. This is the atomic mass. So you can multiply by 2. There will be 2.016. So if you divide by the molar mass of hydrogen or the molecular mass of hydrogen, you can get the vapor density. Okay, so that's why there is a matter of 2. Okay, almost 2.016, that means almost 2. So what can you do? Suppose you have been given the vapor density of the compound is 30. Okay, that means you are not given the molecular mass. So what to do? You can do the same thing again. Carbon 40 divided by the atomic mass of carbon. What will be the result? 40 divided by 12. So there will be 3.33. 3.33. Okay. Hydrogen is equal to 6.67%. 6.67. You can divide by 1, almost 1. That's why 6.67. Again the result. Okay. Now oxygen is equal to, that is 53.33. 53.33. You can divide by 16. The atomic mass of oxygen, which is 16. Okay. You can again divide 53.33 divided by 16. That is 3.33. Again. Okay. Then what to do? You should write this one. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. We have got that 3.33. the amount of carbon, hydrogen 6.67 and oxygen just 3.33. So again you can divide by the lowest number of these numbers. 3.33 divided by 3.33, since the lowest number is 3.33. Okay, 6.67 divided by 3.33 and 3.33 divided by 3.33. Okay. What have you got? 1:2:1. 1:2:1. That means that will be CH2O. Okay. You can think that this is the formula of glucose, but it's not correct because of the molecular mass of glucose is 180 grams and the supplied vapor density of this component is 30. Then how can you get the molecular mass? Okay. CH2O. This is the empirical formula. Empirical formula. Okay. So you should know that the molecular mass is equal to 2 times of dense vapor density. Vapor density. So you know that you have been given the vapor density is 30. 32 is 60. Now we know that the molecular mass is 60. And again this is same thing you can do. Say the molecular formula CH2O N. Okay. So according to the question, CH2O is equal to 60, or see the atomic mass of carbon, you know, 12, hydrogen 2 1 is 2, oxygen 16, and here will be N 60. So 12 plus 2 plus 16, that means 30, and is equal to 60, or N is equal to 60 divided by 30. You can get 2. N is equal to 2. Okay. So the molecular formula will be what? The molecular formula is now CH2O. The value of N is 2. So you get C2H4O2. So C2H4O2. So you can definitely understand that this is not actually glucose. Okay. Then what is this? It's not glucose, then what is this? Actually this is CH3COOH. Carbon, 2 carbon here, 1 2. Hydrogen 4 hydrogen, there is hydrogen 3 1 4. Oxygen 2 oxygen, 1 2. So this is called acetic acid or the ethanoic acid, and it's organic acid actually, because of where is naturally carbon and hydrogen. This is called hydrocarbon also, and this is ethanoic acid or acetic acid of 6 to 10% of this acid is called vinegar. You know about vinegar. Whatever, this is the formula of ethanoic acid or acetic acid. So my target was to make understood to about empirical formula and molecular formula, and if the molecular mass is not supplied, then what to do? You have to multiply by 2 with the vapor density. Okay, then we can say that the empirical formula is CH2O and the molecular formula is CH2H4O2. If you don't know this, you can write by this way. This is okay actually. So this is the actual spelling of empirical formula. In my last class I have used PHI, which is wrong actually. We have done a wrong thing. So this is the actual spelling of empirical formula. Okay, I hope that everybody has understood today's class, and you should be more confident after watching today's class. So keep practicing. Take care. Allah Hafiz.